Rose and Gold. I'm your host, IK, and this is my lovely co-host, Dr. Ross.
Everything is everything.
Yama. But today, Dr. Ross and I, we just finished a beautiful and magnificent symphony.
That's right. It was really a pleasure to be here. And it was an amazing performance.
That's right. We have some clips, and I'm going to insert them right here. But if you guys haven't been to a symphony, you need to see one. It really is an experience.
That's right.
But we're going to get into our next hot topic with Tom Holland and Zendaya. So they recently just bought a house together, and my thoughts on this is that Tom should have waited. I know he's saying he's been wanting to go with Zendaya all his life, but Tom, there are better fish out there in the waters.
That's right. I completely agree. I think Tom is just stuck in the fact that when he was younger, he had a celebrity crush on Zendaya, much like how Jason Momoa did with Lisa Bonet, but we'll see.
Get the fuck out of here, my nigga. Get the fuck out of here! Get the fuck out of here! And you haven't done anything to me! Oh, fuck it up!
And to add on to that, Dr. Ross, Tom needs to be careful because he needs to realize right now he's swimming with a shark, not a fish. We're going to get into our next hot topic with Kanye West and Kim Kardashian. So Kanye West is apparently saying, don't mess with my black children.
And basically, Kanye is mad because he said that it really disappoints him that Kim said that she's the main provider for their children.
Nice!
In continuation, we just moved to a different section because they're closing out the symphony because we just finished watching it. But Kanye never really cared about the kids before when he was with Kim, and now he wants to act like all of a sudden he cares about the kids so much and that she's taking the kids away from him.
Yes.
So Kanye is just doing this as a stunt to jab Kim again.
And to add on to that, Dr. Ross, Kanye really did this to himself.
He did. He did all of this to himself, so he has no one to be mad at except for himself. It's another story of Scott Disick and Kourtney Kardashian.
Ka-chow!
Dr. Ross, Kanye really should back off on this fight because it can get really dangerous. Pete's already saying he's backed off completely and he's just not going to be a part of the feud. But Kanye, if you're not going to hurt yourself, you're going to hurt someone else.
That's right, because Kanye is a psychopath.
We cut it short since we know the symphony is closing up. And we're going to see you guys on the next episode of Rose and Gold. And make sure to like, follow, subscribe, and hit that notification bell.
That's right.
We'll see you on the next episode.